Yeah, okay. Choices were made. Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoonie Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day on our videos. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. Hi again. It is December 11th. Wow, we are really getting through this. It is December 11th, the part of the 12 Days of Christmas with Teresa at Critters Crochet. We gave each other a gift and we are exchanging them for 12 days. So make sure you check out her videos as well and see what I sent her. But we are also doing gift ideas, movie recommendations, music recommendations to keep your holiday spirit alive. So let's start with music because this is a fun one. A long time ago on TV, there was a show called The Sing-Off, which was an a cappella competition. I think it was before Pitch Perfect, or it was because of Pitch Perfect movies. I don't know. Anyway, it was an a cappella competition. It was a lot of fun. And one of my favorite groups was Home Free. I think they even won. That's also where they discovered pentatonics, by the way, if you didn't know. That's where pentatonics came from. Yeah, I know. And as much as I wanted to give you a pentatonic song, everybody can give you a pentatonic song. So, Home Free. I'm a country girl. I love country. So, Home Free's original song, Full of Cheer. Please don't just listen to this song. You have to watch the music video. Because it's really something else. Over the years, they've had to exchange a few artists. That's what happens in groups. Sometimes you have to, people move on or people pass away, and so you have to replace people. But this is the original group of Home Free. This is the group they started with, the group that was on the Sing-Off. And this song is hilarious. I don't want to give it away because I didn't know the first time I watched it, and that was part of the fun. So I'm not going to tell you too much about this song other than please go listen to it. I will link it down below, and I will link the music video so you can hear it and see what's going on in the scene, because that just makes it even better. Movie recommendation. Ooh, this one's controversial. This one, I'm gonna get comments because a lot of people don't like this movie. But I do. So I know that the Disney sequels can be hit or miss. Honestly, though, I like a lot of them. They're not my favorite, but I would watch them again. But this one is my favorite of all the Disney sequels, I believe. Disney, not Pixar. Let's be clear. Beauty and the Beast, Enchanted Christmas. Yeah, I know that I have the plastic on it. I swear I watch it. It's just, I just got the Blu-ray version, so this one is new. But I love Beauty and the Beast, Enchanted Christmas. In fact, I found the Belle Enchanted Christmas doll. She was in really bad shape, but I just wanted the dress. I love the dress. I just wanted the dress, and I put the dress on my original Belle doll. And so, yeah, I get her out pretty much every Christmas. I need to get her out. I also need to get out my Aurora that I made her Mrs. Claus dress. So, yeah. Anyway, what was my point? Anyway, wow, that's where my brain is tonight. Okay, Beauty and the Beast, Enchanted Christmas. This one is so good. I mean, come on. The villain is Tim Curry. And he sings, "Don't Fall in Love." Peter Rubens. Yeah. He's the voice of Fife, the piccolo. I love Fife. He's so cute. And then the angel is Bernadette Peters. Once again, you have Tim Curry and Bernadette Peters in something together. What's the other thing they've been in together? Put the answer down below. Do you know? But Bernadette Peters is the angel, Angelique. And let's see, what other amazing voices are in there? I mean, besides the original of David Ogden Stiers and Jerry Orbach, Angela Lansbury, Beauty and the Beast Enchanting Christmas. Such a cute story. A musical. There's even a soundtrack. I know, I have it. Go see it. You can see it on Disney Plus. You can see it on Hulu. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it anywhere for free because, you know, Disney is kind of about their properties. But try. See if you can find it somewhere. Because it's worth a watch. And if you haven't seen it in a long time, watch it again. Give it another chance. Today's shout out is Chris Allen's Creative Loops. He is a really great channel. I recently discovered him because of the controversy behind hooks and needles. We won't go into that. But I would watch his video. It's eye-opening. I kind of already knew this stuff before I saw his video, but his video confirmed it for me. Yeah. Anyway, he does hauls. He's doing woobles right now, I think. I think he's doing some woobles, but I think they're from last year. I thought I saw the squirrel from last year. Anyway, yes, he does lots of vloggy type things. He does unboxings. He does tutorials. He does all kinds of things on that channel. Sometimes his son shows up. It's great. So I recommend his channel. He's very sweet. He's very clear. I like when he explains things. They're very, very clear and concise. And he just has a lot of fun over there. Go check out his channel. I will link him down below. Give him a Merry Christmas with a bunch of subscribers. It's free. Let's see what Teresa's got for us. Oh, this was the end of the paper. Did you make me something? No way! Oh. I love that we both thought of this. That is hilarious. Teresa and I spend way too much time together. Okay, y'all? This is just... Anyway. Why am I oohing and eyeing over a bee? So, Teresa and I are really big fans of organization. However, our life doesn't seem to be very organized. When you're a Spoonie, it's the small things that you can control that make you happy. Because you can't control the big stuff. You can't control your health. You can't control the circumstances around you. You can't control what happens, you know, in the world. But when you can control the tiny things, like I put something somewhere and I know where it is and it's going to stay there, you feel a little better. So I am super hyper focused on next year being much more organized. Teresa wants to get organized too. She's doing her kitchen renovation right now, and I sent her a video that I saw was really, really interesting by the Clutterbug, whom we'll get to in a minute. And it was all about how to organize your kitchen efficiently for you. Specifically you, no one else, how you operate in your kitchen and making your kitchen work for you. We all need that. So I sent her that video before she put all her stuff back in. I was like, hey, look at this video. Anyway, organizing styles is something that Cass at the Clutterbug came up with. And I trust her because her biggest idol is Peter Walsh. I grew up with Peter Walsh. He was on Oprah. He was on the Today Show. He was everywhere. He's a big organization guru. Way before the Home Edit or Marie Kondo or anything like that. And the thing I like about Cass at the Clutterbug, besides all of those fancy organizers, is that she doesn't care what it looks like as long as it works for you. And the whole thing is she has these clutter bugs. So bugs that represent different organizing styles. Teresa is a butterfly, so everything has to be in big categories and out in the open so she can see it. Out of sight, out of mind kind of mentality. I am a paradox. As every time I take the Clutterbug quiz, I'm either one or the other. At least I'm consistent. I'm never anything else. I am never a cricket. I'm never a butterfly. I am a bee and a ladybug. So what that means is a ladybug is someone who likes big categories, like throw it in a basket, throw it in a bucket. Done. I like that. I do like to organize like that. It has to be in things where I can't see it. I don't want to see it. Or ladybugs are macro and hidden. They don't want to see anything. That's true a lot of the time. However, in this particular area, in my craft area, I am out of sight, out of mind. Except for a few things, like I know there's hooks in there. I know the hooks are in there. But for the most part, I'm out of sight, out of mind. That's why my yarn is out in the open. Otherwise, I forget what I have. And I have clear bins as well. So I'm a bee. I like lots of little categories visually. I am a micro organizer in my craft room. Everything has to be perfect. So she made me the bee for my craft room. He's adorable. To give him an organization type name. Any ideas? Put it in the comments. Anyway, yes, so thank you. He's so cute. He's going to live somewhere, but for now he can live here. Be organized. Yes, so if you haven't heard of the Clutterbug, take a look. I'm a big believer in what she has to say. You don't organize for pretty. You don't organize for Pinterest perfect. You don't organize for everybody else. You organize for you. Go check out the Clutterbug. This was not an ad, but go check out the Clutterbug if you haven't. Highly recommend. Very useful. Anyway, thank you, Teresa. Don't forget to go see what I sent her. Here we are again. The Muppet Advent Calendar. 2 more days. Yesterday we got the Ghost of Christmas Present. He is so cute. So today, I think it's going to be Future, because I don't think they would end on Future. That'd be terrible. Please don't have the 12th be Ghost of Christmas Future. But somebody's got to be Future, and I'm guessing the other is Gonzo. We got Rizzo, so we have to get Gonzo, right? So I think that Gonzo is 12 and Future is 11. Let's find out. Oh, sorry, Mr. B. These things are not easy. Aha! Choices were made. This is the Ghost of Christmas Future. Yeah, okay. So this is Future. He's even got the pointing. I can't unsee it. He looks like the thing from Star Wars. I can't unsee it. What are those things called? Oh, Star Wars people, don't hate me. Jawa? Is that what they're called? Yeah. You know, these things. Doesn't he look like that? I mean, I guess they're both Disney franchises, but still, how I would have done it. Make it a big hood. Just cover the whole face, big hood. No black anything. Just cover it with the whole hood. Paint this. Like, you can still do it as black, but have it embroidered or painted as the skeleton finger. Because it's not skin, it's bones. So I think it should be painted as such or embroidered as skeleton. Also, don't show the toes. This needs to be longer. So, like that. Don't you think? Let me know if you agree or disagree. Just talk to me in the comments. It's cool. He's still cute though. Gift idea, really quick. I have tutorials for Pill Pow Pets. These pill-shaped animals. I have tutorials for these. Yes, this one too. And I have my tots. My tater tot-like characters that can be anything I want. I have lots of tutorials for lots of different kinds. Try one of these very easy beginner projects. I will link both playlists down below, Pill Pal Pets or Tots, whatever you want to make, and then turn them into something somebody can use. They can be part of a decoration for like your Christmas decor. They can be a keychain for somebody, like a bag charm. I've done them as bag charms. I do recommend you do that in cotton or some kind of material that can be out in the elements, just in case, you know. Or they can be an ornament, which can be made in anything. Take a look at the tutorials. Try one. And if you've never tried one of my tots or my Pill Pal pets, I highly recommend it. They're really easy. And so cute. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and Spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.